see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually going to be bringing you guys my Aporro jewelry collection. This video is sponsored by Aporro, so as you know, their links will be at the top of the description alongside my promo code ASTRO10. If you guys like any of the pieces that I'm going to show you guys, probably just leave the link in the description for you guys to go ahead and check these items out. But if you guys do end up enjoying this one, go ahead and slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video, as well as clicking the Gleam link, which will be in the description for you guys to go ahead and check out this 5-winner giveaway. I'm gonna be giving away a Supreme shoulder bag, 2 Supreme tees, a Supreme Motion logo beanie, and Supreme Oreos. You definitely don't want to miss out on that. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So I'm gonna try to do this in chronological order from the time that I got these pieces until now. I'm gonna try to get some b-roll as well, because I feel like some of these do better when there's not as much lights beaming on them. But first, we do have this bracelet right here, which does have Aporro on the little clasp, as you guys can see. It's probably a little bit blurry, but I will get it in the b-roll. I got this bracelet like a little while ago. Honestly, it's been well over a year that I got this sent to me from Aporro, and it actually has been holding up pretty well. None of the stones in it have fell out. Pretty well done bracelet, and I feel like for the price that you're paying, this is something that you won't find anywhere else, especially if you use my promo code ASTRO10 for 10% off. I feel like this is actually really great if you ask me, and I feel like for a year and a half of wear almost, this is actually holding up pretty well. But every once in a while I do decide to throw these bracelets on. I just love the way that they look on body. I normally go for the thinner bracelets because that's something that I feel like I can wear more often, if that makes sense. The first piece was that 8mm bracelet. The second piece I got was this necklace right here. This is the matching piece to the bracelet that I have right here. As you guys can see, this is the matching necklace. I'm a huge fan of this one. This is a piece that I wear on a daily basis when I can go outside. I typically like to wear this one, especially if I'm going out to like dinner. It gives you like that special pop that you need. For the price that you're paying with Aporro, I feel like their quality is actually amazing. They're not these super fragile chains that you pay like $100-something for and they end up breaking on you. These are actually really sturdy. They're like 5 times plated, which is really good for the price that you're paying. I feel like it's definitely something that if you have a fire outfit and then you throw a chain on, it just spruces it up even a little bit more. As you can see right here, I low-key got like a lazy fit on right now. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on for you guys. I feel like this is probably my favorite piece that I own so far. The one that I'm wearing is the 8mm Cuban in 22 inches, if I'm not mistaken. I like the fact that it comes down a little bit, but it's not like OD long. The 22 inches is my preference. Obviously, you do what you want to do, but for me, this is what works best. So this is typically what I like sticking to. I like the fact that I have the matching set. I got the little bracelet with the actual chain. At the same time I got this necklace, I actually got the same one in gold. Honestly, if you have a silver necklace, it's only right if you have the gold set to match it. As you can see right here, you have the gold color, which is the back of the necklace, and right here you have the crystals on the front. I'm gonna flip it for you guys so you can see what I mean. Now you have both sides with the stones, which shine like crazy, to be honest. I'm gonna try to get a b-roll clip right here. This is definitely another piece that I would recommend. Some fits look better with white gold, some fits look better with yellow gold, so I definitely feel like having both in the collection doesn't hurt. That's exactly why I got this necklace right here. And then I also do have the matching bracelet to the necklace. This is basically the same thing as the necklace that I'm wearing on my hand, but in that yellow gold. As you guys can see, that Aporro branding right there as well, and it does say Aporro on the back side of the lobster clasp. This is fire in my opinion. I feel like you can't go wrong with having both sets, the silver or the white gold, and then the actual gold color right here, the yellow gold. Definitely both fire pieces. And honestly, I love this bracelet so much that I decided to go ahead and get the same bracelet but the next size up, which is the 10mm, if I'm not mistaken. I thought this one would be a little bit too big, but it's actually a perfect size. This is a bracelet that I would honestly still wear. When I first ordered it, I thought it would be too big, but the 10mm is still a real decent size. 8mm is the thinnest size that they carry, and this is the next size up after that, which is the 10mm. I feel like you can still freak this one right here. As you guys can see, they kind of look similar in thickness, but this one is a little bit thicker. I love this piece piece right here. I still haven't worn it, to be honest. I'm gonna go ahead and wear this on a special occasion or just something where I want to look a little bit more flashy. I typically don't like being flashy. I'm on the subtle side of things when it comes to jewelry and just the way that I dress and stuff like that. I wear normal tones, like just earthy tones normally. This bracelet right here can bring life to an outfit. That's mainly what I love about Aporro brand. They do have pieces that stand out. I typically like to get the more subtle, like I wear it, I can flex on you a little bit, like tuck it in my shirt a little bit, you could see it on my neck kind of vibe. That's how I like wearing jewelry. But besides all these Cuban necklaces and bracelets, I did go ahead and get this pinky ring right here. As you can see, this is just a subtle little pinky ring. It's nothing too special. Honestly, I was trying to get this for like my index finger, but it is a little bit too tight. I'm still trying to figure out my ring size. Definitely a clean ring though. I don't know, I don't really wear that many rings too often anymore, but this is a nice little ring to just have. Bracelet, you're killing them. Like, come on bro, killing them softly. But we have two more pieces in my little jewelry collection from Aporro. One of them being actually something where I stepped out of my comfort zone, and it is this tennis chain right here. This is actually full of stones all the way throughout. As you can see, it's flooded in a way. The way these shine is impeccable, bro. I'm gonna put some b-roll for you guys. These shit shine like crazy. You got that little clasp at the edge where you just put it through, bang, and then you unclip it and it's just out. Definitely a fire piece. This is one that I actually will wear. This is like the 3mm, which is not that thick. As you can see, this is another one similar to the first one which I showed you guys. I'm gonna tuck the other one so you can see. This one is actually on the subtle side, just like the other one. I love the way that chains like this look. These are definitely at a fair price for the quality that you're getting. It's just uncomparable, bro. Like, Aporro brand is definitely the way to go when you're buying some of these jewelry pieces. Shout out to Aporro brand for sponsoring this video. Make sure you hit that like button and go ahead and check out Aporro with my promo code ASTRO10. You can get a discount at some of these pieces. But last up, I'm gonna show y'all something that I went out the box for. I'm not gonna lie, this is something that I normally wouldn't go for. This dragon tennis chain. This is on the thicker side. As you guys can see, these are low-key boogers, bro. Like, this is something that I wouldn't wear on a day-to-day basis. This is something I would wear on a more daily, but this is something you throw on if you're trying to hit them with it. Like, you trying to come with it, you wear the big mama, bro. Like, I'm not gonna lie, this does look nice, and the way that this shines is incredible. I definitely am feeling this. Normally when it comes to like the tennis chains, I do like going with the white finish. I just feel like it's definitely way cleaner when you go with the white finish. I haven't yet gotten a tennis bracelet. That's probably my next step. I feel like I have a pretty decent sized collection. Honestly, go ahead and DM me your Aporro pieces if you do have any. I honestly feel like they're the best jewelry brand out there for the price that they come with. It's incredible in my opinion, and there's no other. Smash the like button on this video if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click that Gleam link at the top of the description if you are interested in a 5-winner giveaway with all Supreme items in it. Go ahead and check out Aporro at the top of the description, and if you are interested in buying any pieces, just use the code ASTRO10 and you will get a discount. But that pretty much does it for this video. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real